How did a small unmanned boat become a formidable challenge to powerful naval fleets? Today we are diving into the world of kamikaze naval drones, Ukraine's secret weapon that's reshaping naval conflicts. Since the war began, Russia's massive Black Sea fleet has maintained dominance. That changed recently with a stunning blow: the sinking of a major Russian warship by kamikaze drones. Although this was not the first, the recent attack has undoubtedly infuriated the Russians. The Caesar, a large landing ship, went down in a surprise attack, orchestrated not with missiles or fighter jets, but with this new breed of explosive seaborne weapon in this particular operation. 10 MAG drones were deployed, 6 of which successfully struck and ultimately sacked a Russian vessel. These mega drones, only a few meters in length and powered by jet ski engines, have marked a new chapter in Ukraine's naval strategy against Russia's Black Sea fleet, achieving unprecedented victories. Each drone is capable of carrying a payload capacity of 320 kilograms of explosives with speeds that can reach 40 to 50 knots, roughly 80 kilometers per hour, and a considerable operational range of around 800 kilometers. These drones can be launched from vast stretches of Ukraine's coastline, targeting locations deep within Crimea. These incidents expose a glaring vulnerability in traditional naval warfare, hinting at a radical shift in how battles at sea might be fought. This radical shift is not just about the technology itself, but also about the tactics and strategies that these drones enable. Traditional naval power has always been about projecting force through large, heavily armed ships. However, the beginning of kamikaze sea drones introduces a new paradigm where stealth, agility, and precision can level the playing field, allowing smaller naval forces to challenge larger adversaries effectively. Naval warfare has evolved significantly over centuries, from the age of sail and cannon to the era of battleships and aircraft carriers. Each phase brought new technologies and tactics that changed the rules of engagement. Today, we stand on the brink of another transformative period where unmanned systems could become the main players in naval conflicts. Kamikaze drones like the MAG represent the forefront of this evolution. Their design and deployment reflect a strategic move towards asymmetrical warfare, where the goal is to exploit the vulnerabilities of more powerful opponents by using drones that are small, fast, and difficult to detect. Ukraine is effectively bypassing the traditional naval defenses that the larger ships rely on. The strategic implications of these drones are profound. For one, they force NAS around the world to reconsider their defense priorities. The focus shifts from defending against large detectable threats to countering numerous smaller threats that can strike unexpectedly. This requires significant adjustments in surveillance, target acquisition, and defensive armament systems. Moreover, the psychological impact of such attacks cannot be understated. The sinking of a major warship by relatively inexpensive drones not only causes material damage, but also delivers a blow to morale and perceived invincibility of the affected navy. It sends a clear message: no target is too big, no ship is truly safe. The technology behind kamikaze drones is continuously advancing. Future iterations may feature enhanced stealth capabilities, making them even harder to detect. Artificial intelligence can enable more autonomous operations, allowing drones to make real-time decisions to optimize their attack patterns or evade defenses. Furthermore, the concept of drone swarms, coordinated attacks involving multiple drones acting in concert, could amplify their effectiveness, overwhelming even the most sophisticated defense systems. Ukraine's use of these drones also underscores the importance of innovation and adaptability in modern warfare by leveraging the element of surprise and the ability to strike from a distance. Ukraine has demonstrated that effective tactics can compensate for disparities in size and firepower. As we look to the future, the role of kamikaze drones in naval warfare is likely to grow as success in the Black Sea can inspire other nations to develop or acquire similar capabilities, potentially leading to a global reevaluation of naval strategy and ship design. The threat posed by kamikaze drones becomes increasingly apparent, and NAS around the world are prompted to innovate and adapt their defensive strategies. The potential countermeasures being considered or currently under development are diverse, each targeting the unique capabilities of these unmanned vessels. One such countermeasure is the advancement of electronic warfare tactics. These involve jamming the communication and navigation systems of the drones, rendering them unable to reach their targets, or in some cases, even turning them back upon their operators. By disrupting the drone's GPS signals or commandeering their control channels, defenders can neutralize the threat without direct physical engagement. Laser defense systems represent another cutting-edge approach. These systems mounted on ships can precisely target and destroy incoming drones at the speed of light, offering a highly effective means of protection against swarms. The advantage of laser systems lies in their precision and the speed with which they can engage multiple targets, making them ideal for countering large numbers of drones simultaneously. The drones we see today might just be the tip of the iceberg. As we've seen, kamikaze drones are not just changing the present. They're also pointing towards a future filled with even more sophisticated warfare technology. With continuous progress, we can expect drones to have extended ranges capable of striking targets far beyond coastal waters. The real question is whether wider adoption is on the horizon. The demonstrated effectiveness of kamikaze drones in Ukraine is likely to attract the attention of navies around the world. Could these swarm tactics and inexpensive weapon systems replace, or at least supplement traditional billion-dollar warships? If so, we could be witnessing the beginning of a completely different era of sea conflict. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others.